Now let us see how the internal structure look like. So let me cut this and show you. I am taking longitudinal section of the kidney. See, this is how it look like internally. So the two halves. See this this area, all this area which is showing. The three regions of the kidney. This is the outermost. This is the middle. This is the innermost. So outermost is the cortex, inner one is medulla, and the innermost one is pelvis. Cortex, medulla, and pelvis. Now, in this region of the kidney, there are kidney tubules. So due to section cutting, all these are destroyed. But in reality, there are kidney tubules. These kidney tubules are millions of them. For example, in each kidney, there may be more than 1 million kidney tubules are there. These kidney tubules, they filter the blood. And from that blood they remove urea, salts and water, and from the urine, that urine comes to ureter, means that urine comes to first to the pelvis region. From pelvis it enters into the ureter. From ureter, as you know, I have shown the other side, from ureter it is taken to the bladder. So internal structure of the kidney looks like this: outermost, middle and innermost, and the middle part is medulla, where the kidney tubules are present. Continuously large amount of blood is filtered and refiltered, and urine is separated from it. Urea, water and other salts are separated.